Hello, you all. I'm Diana Brienne, and it's the holiday season. Christmas will soon be here, and then New Year's. Wow, how fast time goes. I hope you're enjoying your holiday. I hope you're enjoying your family, your friends, your relatives, your acquaintances, and your own company for that matter. I hope you're having a great time. The food, the festivities, the music, the lights, all that is so much fun and happy about this time of the year. I wish for you a season of gratitude to reflect upon all that is great in your life, all that is wonderful, and look at all the little things that you are blessed with in your life, as well as the big things. Enjoy the holiday season. From my house to yours, God bless you. I wish you a wonderful, wonderful season of happiness and joy. From my house to yours, Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year.